Hi there and welcome at Smully Art. A while ago I made some videos where I recreated some character designs my son made, and those videos were very popular. They even got me featured on the American TV show Right This Minute.
Takes his kids' drawings and then realizes them with his talent.
And a few days ago my son came to me and he asked, "You want to have another go at this, Dad?" And of course I said,
Yes! That's awesome!
so let's check out his character. So this is his superhero character. We see yellow spiky hair, a blue mask, and he told me his character has some solar cells on his suit which absorb the energy from the sun, which gives him his power, which is very cool and eco-friendly as well. Well, that's an awesome design, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. What a cool idea of my son to design a superhero with a suit that draws its power from the sun. We call him Solaris. Just like the solar panels that we use today to create electricity for buildings, the suit of Solaris contains solar cells that charge the suit of our superhero to give him super strength alongside the ability to fly, move at great speed and shoot electric energy rays from his wristbands. Because of the nature of his suit, he has always static hair when wearing it, a nice side effect that adds to the overall look of our hero. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. It's always so much fun to do these creative projects with my son. He's not as addicted to drawing as I am, but he likes to create things. The other day he invented his own board game inspired by the Avengers Infinity Saga. He drew the board, wrote out the rules of the game and even painted stones he found outside to be used as the Infinity Stones. His game is called Infinity Catch, and the main goal of course is to collect all the Infinity Stones. He even got to present the game at his school as a project, and maybe one day he will create games for real. And let's hope he will think of his old man when he needs an artist to make his ideas come to life. Now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is... thinking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys liked the recreation of the design my son made, and if you did, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start your weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!